Hello, I'm Julia Wong, interior designer, and my company is Julia Wong Designs. I worked in couture, fashion design with John Galliano, so I dressed people, now I dress homes. I designed sophisticated London homes to laid-back Malibu beach houses. So I've been designing homes and dressing homes for years and years. My clients are across the board actually, from financiers to entertainment executives to actresses and actors. The way I approach my projects that I always start with how the clients live, their lifestyle. And from there, I curate a design from my travels and from my connections, my vendors, to create a design that's not only beautiful, but also very, very functional. I think great design today is integrating design and technology. So I've been integrating design and technology for many years now because I love a comfortable home and I don't want to see the technology. So in order to do that, I have to work with different technology companies to create a beautiful seamless design that's hidden. We found Senseon online actually. We were building these gorgeous cabinets and we did not want a traditional lock on them, so Senseon did the trick. The product allows me to integrate design and technology seamlessly, and I can design clean lines and give my clients the security that they need. When I first proposed Senseon, they were curious, but not quite sold. But now they have it, they love it. I use Senseon not just for security, but for safety as well. Recently, I designed my own kitchen, and I specified Senseon in the drawers and the cabinetry. I have a young daughter, so I store the knives and the alcohol in the cabinets that I have Senseon. We are looking forward to partnering with Senseon in the near future in both our residential projects and retail projects. True design goes beyond style, and Senseon really helps me both on the security and the functionality side to achieve what I'm looking for.